Hey guys, Thomas Talon here with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm going to walk you through this boat that just landed. This is a 2026 Bennington 22S Swingback. Beautiful boat, guys. Just arrived, like I said. You'll see it's got the beautiful white rigid paneling with all the anodized railings. You'll see you've got your docking lights and nav lights located up front. You've got a nice bow-sized cleat. This is a full-size tri-tune, guys, with SPS package. Let's take a look at the back. Guys, taking a look at the back, you'll see that this boat does have your extended deck that complements nicely with your swing back. This is powered with the Yamaha 150 with stainless steel prop. We've added the full ski tow bar. This boat also has this wonderful upgraded lily pad ladder. Guys, I can't say enough about this ladder. It makes it so easy for getting in and out of the boat. Let's climb aboard and take a look at the inside. All right, guys, welcome aboard the 22S. You'll see that this boat has the upgraded Luxe package, which offers the diamond press accents in carbon here. You'll see that you've got the nice bow table. Taking a look at the helm, you'll see that we've got your Yamaha mechanical gauges with your Garmin Echo map sitting nice in the center, perfect for all your mapping and depth finder capabilities. We've upgraded this boat with the Rockford Fosgate stereo. You got all your rocker switches for your extra applications. Nice tilt on your steering wheel. All these chairs, guys, recline, slide forwards and backwards with self-leveling armrests. All Benningtons come standard with a 10-foot bimini top. Guys, what a great boat. For more information, please give us a call or stop by your Greenville, South Carolina showroom. Thank you and have a great day.